Presley record.
Peekaboo poo. Number 2. What is a big brother to do? Peekaboo poo. Boo poo. Number 2. Alfie has a secret. When he was only 2, he played a really yucky game where he would hide his poo. His family didn't like it. He caught them unaware with poos in shoes, pants, and once upon a chair. Now through he's big boy, he's all grown up and cool. He can brush his teeth and tie his shoes and even goes to school. Alfie learned to use the loo and loves to make it flush. He always sure to wash his hands, even in a rush. Did I miss a page? While Alfie has been growing up, his family too has grown. He has gained a little sister with bad habits of her own. The terror is called Hetty, and she's always such a mess. Just where those dirty marks came from is anybody guess. She has dinner down her t-shirt and snot pours from her face. She floods the floor at bath time and leaves toys around the place. But Hetty's getting bigger too, and one day Mom answers, "It's potty time, watch Teddy dry," and on the pot he bounces. Alfie hopes that she'll be good, but look what he has found. His sister has been hiding yucky bundles all around. It seems that little Hetty's not that different from her brother, but this time Alfie wants to make life better for his mother. Each day, he walks and checks his room. At least there's no poo there. But on Tuesday, he is horrified a poo upon the stair. On Thursday, there's another shock while searching for his train. He travels a nasty, gooey mess. Hetty strikes again. Mom's in the study, tackling papers piled up in her tray. She gasps in horror as she sees what Hetty filed away. Unhealthy, the whole family cry. "This is a disaster. Please stop pooping everywhere and find your potty faster." Alfie needs to stop this. He settles in posting
Position.
he'll catch that handy in the cat. Big Brother's on a mission. Soon enough, she toddlers in with mischief in her eye. In cheek with her eyes, but Alfie to introspect. Here you go, surprise! Wherever Hetty tries to poo, Alfie on her case, always right behind her. There is no hiding place. But Alfie has to go to school. He can't track her all day, and when she knows she's left alone, Eddie starts to play. The first to suffer in the pet, poor old Mr. Tibbles, he turns his nose up, rightly so, when he sniffs around his nibbles. Dad is next. He's gone to work and is sitting at his desk. He opens up his prefer to find something quiet. Goes quiet. Sister Kate is coming home. Her college term is done. She's bringing her new boyfriend home to meet with everyone. Collins never's all jangling when he sets foot through the door. He's not explaining. Hetty will home upon the floor. Surely that's the worst of it. Hetty's reached her peak. But no, there's more humiliation. Later in the week, the real estate man's here to put a value on the house. When Hetty lays a body trap, is as quiet as a mouse. Alfie watches in the despair. He hangs his head in shame. Is Hetty being lazy or delighting in his game? And then he hears a cry ringing in his ears. He peeps around the corner and sees Hetty there in tears. Poor Teddy's had an accident. As Hetty let him drop, he landed headfirst in her poo. He's covered now with plop. Alfie hides his smile and goes to help his little sis. He puts Teddy in the shower and Hetty gets a kiss. The next time Hetty feels the rug, she looks at her dear toy and quickly sits upon the pot as Alfie jumps for joy. Peekaboo Boo number 2.